Read, continue reading.
In this chapter, we will learn how to manipulate real numbers through addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Then, using the characteristics and properties of real numbers, we will analyze number sequences such as the Fibonacci sequence.
There's a lot of more sequences that pure mathematicians are always investigating. Okay, so let's look at some of these problems now. Continue. To get started,
In this book, we assume that you can do simple addition and multiplication problems with whole numbers and decimals. To check to see that you are ready for this chapter, work each of these problems below.
okay, now, you got your pencil ready? I'm going to go around the room. Don't be ashamed, please. Okay, let's start over here. Miss Cabrera, can you do the first one in your brain, or you need a pencil? Okay, now, okay, time out. Don't say anything. I'm going to try to work this out. Okay, give me the steps that you did to solve this problem.
5 times 5.
What is that? What is that?
5.
What's 5 times 5?
25.
Time 25 times what? Another 5, right? Or what is that?
25.
No way. Use your pencil and paper. Solve it. Take your time. Wait. You can use the calculator is no good right now. Forget it. We're doing mental. We're practicing to see what flaws you have. It's taking you a while to do the multiplication vertically.
Yeah.
Okay. After you work it out, go to the board and tell me what you did. Listen, this is a team, okay? What you get? Go to the board. Go to the board. Just execute what she tells you. Tells how she's doing it. Don't worry about it. Come. Go to the board. Play teacher for a while. Come on. Get a piece of chalk. Now, we're trying to find out why it's taking her long. Right? Could it be a multiplication challenge to her in terms of setting it up? How would you set up that? How would you multiply 25 times 5? 9. Go ahead. Good. Okay. All right, stop right there. What are you having trouble with?
So 5 times 5 equals 25.
Right? You have to carry what?
With
Put the 2 on top of the 2. Wait, what's it? Come on, that's a, they teach you that in Ghana. Don't be saying Ghana.
So then it's 2 times 5,
Right.
which is 10.
Right.
Plus the 2 is 12.
Exactly. So that's your answer. There it is. So what was the stumbling block for you?
I didn't do it that way. I did it.
Show me how you do it.
No, I just did it off the top of my head. I did 25 times 5.
Okay.
Something that I got.
Okay. So you see what happened with her thought processes, right? Focus. You use a method that was challenging. You try to go mental. You kept saying 25 times 5 is 40. There's no way. There's no way. Because 25 times 2 is more than 40. 25 times 2 is 50. So there's no way that 25 times 5 is going to be 40. So a lot of it is just intuition and common sense. You got it? Okay. Who's next? What's yours? Yeah, what is it? Okay, good. What's another way to write it? Come up to the board. Sure. Tell me the different ways to write that problem. So 4 into 12 was how many times? You put it over the 2, right? You put it over the 2, right? Right. And 4 times 3. Right. And then you subtract, right? You get 0 to 8. Good. Next one, number 3. going around the table. You want to do the next one? Get up on the
The
board and
answer
do
already.
it. Show me how you do it. Forget the calculator. Do it. Do it on the board. I mean, do it on the board.
Was it 1.7?
Yeah, minus 1.2. So you line it up. So the ones digit cancels out, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what is that 7 and 2 considered? The decimal part of the number? The tenths. Yeah, very good. Well, the 1/10, right? Yeah, the tenths. You're correct. You're right. What's the other one? Number 4. 10 minus 9.5. Which is bigger, 10 or 9.5? So what's the answer? Is it going to be a positive or negative number?
0.5.
Exactly. Was that positive or negative?
Positive.
Exactly.
Positive.
What's the next one? 7 times 0.2.
0.
What?
1.4.
Wait, time out.
1.4.
1.4.
Shh.
Sorry.
How many of these people? You hallucinated?
Is that?
Huh? What is 7 times 0.2? Is a 0? Why is it 0.1? It doesn't even need to be there. Just a 0.2. So what's the answer? What's the answer? 7 times 0.2. Do it on the board. You're stuck. Do it on the board.
I'm trying to do it again.
Okay. Do it there first. Who wants to go next? Number 6. 0.3.
1.8.
Exactly. Number 7.
5.
Number 8.
3.
Okay, good. Number 9.
45.
Right. Number 10. How many 2's do you have?
32.
How many 2's are there?
5.
What's another way to write in that? 2 to the what power? 2 to the 5th. Remember the scientific notation? It's right there. What's the next one? 11.
29.
Number 12.
4.
Hey. Come on, man.
I'm just like, it wants to.
Right.
Huh?
I didn't know everybody was having trouble. I thought it was in the flow. What number slowed you down?
10. You got to do test.
Oh,
We didn't do test. We skipped them. You just asked.
I was going too fast with that one.
You speed walk.
Yeah, I know. Because how many 2's do you have? You got 5 2's, right? So it's the same thing as writing it like this, right? It's just this, right? Right? This times this is 4. Right? This times this is 8.
Yeah, there you go.
This time this is 16. And this times this is 32. That's how you divide and conquer. Okay, what's the next one now?
For what?
What number are we up to?
13.
13. What's 13?
13.
Variables, notations, and symbols, right? Tickets to success. Each section of the book will begin with some problem and questions like the ones below. Think about them while you read through the following section. Before you go to class, answer each problem or question with a written response using complete sentences.